Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So, my sister, usually I have two sisters. One sister is a painting sister, the other one likes to do photography. And every day, the photography sister goes out in the morning to take some pictures, to walk her dog. And this day, she went out and took some picture of the dog and of the little tiny flowers. And at the same time, she took pictures of the snow in a springtime. That is not snow. It is called snow, but it's actually the cotton, the fluffy of the willow trees. It's not the most pleasant scene, but she wrote something really reminds me of the good things about our everyday life. So she wrote that she didn't like these fluffy cotton-like things, but that's part of life. It's the regrowing or regeneration. It's the seeding of the willow trees. In our life, there are different phases of life, and this is one part of it. We just have to accept it and live on with the things that sometimes annoys us. So I searched online to see what it is. And this is actually the willow's seeding season. In springtime, willows have these little teeny tiny little seeds. And it grows this kind of small umbrellas. It's a little bit like a dandelion, like umbrellas. So with the wind, it blows far, far, far away. It's nature's way, or the smart willow's nature's way of taking care of itself. Because of the wind, because it's light, so it blows further away. So it does not compete with the nutrition, with the energy of the mother tree. It goes everywhere and goes further away. And also, willow tree is not the only kind of tree that have this recycling or rejuvenating seeding habit. Something like aspen tree, poplar tree, willow tree, this family of trees has this seeding method. I just find it interesting and fascinating. I never thought about it. And these cotton fluffy things looks annoying, but they are not pollen. If you have an allergic reaction, it's actually not the allergen from these cotton-like seedings. This may look like pollens, but they are not. And coincidentally, it actually happens at the same pollen season. So we usually blame them. They are just actually innocent for this reason. So another thing I have learned from searching is that in China, a lot of cities has a lot of these kind of trees, willow trees, poplar trees. It's because when we first planted, we have not thought about the problem of these kind of fluffy, the seeding things, and the the good thing or the very practical thing about planting willow trees, poplar trees, aspen trees is because they grow very fast and they consume less water, less energy. So with such a consideration, it becomes a natural choice. Nowadays, people start to understand plants more, and cities are starting to reduce the amount of planting these kind of trees and looking for new different kind of trees. I just find it so interesting. I remember when I was young, we have this in Beijing, we have this fluffy like snow, 6月雪, June snow, something like that, but not that strong. 2 years ago, I went back to Beijing, and it was really very, very strong, very heavy kind of snow. And another reason to contribute to this kind of sudden fluffy or snowstorm is because of the weather change. The weather used to be cooler, used to be wetter, more moist, and less hot. So it controlled the seeding, the germination of these seeds. And now it becomes hot and hot early. So it fluffy out suddenly. And the weather is dry, so it becomes even more an annoyance, right? Anyway, by seeing this, by watching the video my sister made and thinking about all this, I find it's just fascinating. It gives me more knowledge, more context, and more understanding of life. Everything has a way of life. It may be annoyance for us, but it's their way. Let's just accept it, live with it, and allow everything to prosper. That's my thought from her video. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu bye bye.